Okay, class, can you please stand up? Mr. Balabagan will lead the prayer for Muslim prayer, and Miss Kat will lead the prayer for Christian prayer. Okay, let us bow our head. Okay, thank you. No? So, good morning, grade 7 Newton. Okay, good morning. So, please sit down. But before you will sit down, can you please pick up all the trash na makikita nyo sa ilalim ng inyong upuan? And please arrange your chair. Okay, who is absent today? None? Very good. Lahat kayo ay present. No? So, before we will proceed to our new topic, what was our last topic? Okay, very good. It's all about motion. So now we will proceed to our next topic. So, but before that, I have here a activity, no? So, decode me. All you have to do is decode this one to know what is the hiding words, no? So, like for example, hahanapin mo ito dito, itong emoji na to, at kung asan ito nakatutok, like for example, this one, no? So, hahanapin nyo dito, and para malaman nyo yung hidden words. So, malalaman nyo kung ano ang hinahanap dito. So, anyone? Yes? What is this? Okay, very good. This is P, no? And R, and A, and S, V, E, R, S, E. So very good. This is transverse. So this one. Okay, sabay-sabay. Hanapin natin. Okay, L, O, N, G, I, T, U, D, I, N, A, L. What is the hidden words? Okay, very good. It is a longitudinal. Very good. So this one, what is the hidden words? Okay, very good. It is a wave. So, very good. Give yourself a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, can you guess what is our topic today? Okay, very good. It is a wave. Our topic for today is all about wave. But before we will proceed to our new topic, let us read our objectives. the different types of waves. The second one is demonstrate and classify the part of the waves. And the third one is value the importance of waves.
So, that is our objectives.
So what is wave? Okay, very good. Okay, sabay-sabay natin basahin. Waves are perpendicular that moves away from a source and carries energy with it. So the example of wave is makikita natin sa dagat. Yes, very good. So we have a types of waves, no? So this is a transverse wave and this is longitudinal wave. So, di ba sabi ko sa inyo is dadala kayo ng slinky toy? Now I will group you into two. No, so this one will group 1 and this one will group 2. For our activity for today is you will demonstrate the transverse wave and the longitudinal wave, no? Dito sa Sprinky Toy. And all you need to do is observe kung ano yung a transverse wave and kung ano yung longitudinal wave. So, the rubrics for this activity is for teamwork is 4 points. And for the rightfulness for the answer is 3 points. And for another 3 points is for the time management.
Equivalent of 10 points.
No? So, I will give you 10 minutes to discuss with your group. Okay. Okay. Time's up. Group 1. What did you observe in transverse wave? Okay, very good. Transverse wave. Okay, can you please read? Okay. Transverse waves in which particles of the medium move in a direction perpendicular to the direction that the waves moves. So as you can see in the illustration, no, transverse waves is like this. So, ang source of energy niya is up and down. Up and down. This is we call transverse wave. Very good. How about the group 2? Longitudinal wave. Okay, very good. Longitudinal waves, waves in which particles of the medium move in a direction parallel to the direction that the waves move. So, it means longitudinal is like that. No? As you can observe, the source of energy is papunta dito, papunta sa left side, at ayun nga, bumabalik siya, no? That is, we call it a longitudinal wave. Because of the direction of the wave is parallel. So once na ang wave is papunta dito, is bumabalik siya pa ganyan. Did you see that? So, that is a longitudinal wave. So, can you please give me one example of transverse wave? Yes? Group 1? Okay, very good. One example of a transverse wave is the wave that we see in the sea or in the beach. Very good. So that is the example of transverse wave. How about the longitudinal wave? What is the example of longitudinal wave? Okay, group 2. Very good. One of the example of longitudinal wave is the speaker. No? It because from here, the sound wave is pumupunta papunta sa inyo, no? It coming back and forth, no? Kagaya na lang ng ganito, no? Itong sitwasyon natin. From here, no, na nagsasalita ako, but my voice is pumupunta dyan at nagbaback and forth sa akin. Kasi itong room na ito is may echo, no? That is one of the example of longitudinal wave. So, now, let's proceed to our activity. So here, no, kanina, pinag-usapan natin is yung types of waves. Ngayon naman, no, let's analyze what is or ano yung mga tawag sa parts of waves, no? So, I need 5 representative to analyze kung asan ba or ano. So, I have no? All you have to do is put here, no? Kung saan, no? So, ang tamang makasagot is merong 5 points sa akin. So, I will give you the time to analyze it. So, who wants to volunteer? Okay. Very good. Okay, are you ready? What is our number 1? What is we call this? Ito, from here to this. Ano yung tawag dito? Ano yung tawag dito? Okay? Yes. Very good. It is a wavelength. How about the number 2? Okay, number 2 is the amplitude. Very good. How about the number 3? Okay, very good. It is a crest. How about the number 4? Very good. It is a equilibrium. How about the number 5? Okay, very good. It is a throw. Okay. All your answer is correct. Can you please give yourself a 5 clap? Very good. So, tinatawag natin wavelength kapag ito ang pinag-uusapan, no? Yung alon. No? From here, isinatawag natin ito from here to here. Parang crest to crest is tinatawag natin wavelength. And the number 2 naman is tinatawag natin ang wavelength, yung height ng wave. Yung height ng wave ay tinatawag natin amplitude. So, tinatawag naman natin ang wavelength, yung sa taas ng wavelength, here, itong sa tuktok niya, no, or the highest point of wave is crest. So, tinatawag naman natin throw ang isang wavelength kapag dito sa baba, sa lowest point of the wavelength. Is tinatawag naman natin ang equilibrium dito in this line. So, tinatawag natin yan na equilibrium. Another one is tinatawag natin frequency ang wavelength once na bilangin natin kung ilang frequency ang meron ang wavelength. So, from here, so 1, 2. So, itong wavelength na to is meron siyang 2 frequency. Did you get, class? Naintindihan ba? Okay, very good. So again, what is our 2 types of wave? Okay, very good. We have transverse wave and longitudinal wave. What is the importance of studying this? Okay, very good. For us to be aware. No? What else? Okay, very good, no? So, if you listen to our discussion, you can answer this one. So, can you please bring your 1/4 sheet of paper? And please answer this one. I will give you 5 minutes to answer our assessment. Answer it quietly, okay? Okay, time's up. Can you please pass your paper in front in the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Late paper will not accepted. So class, for your assignment, submitted will be our next meeting. So please take note, no? In 1/2 sheet of paper. Does wave carries energy? Why or why not? Okay? Okay, goodbye class. Thank you for your participation. See you next